Regular wear and tear of muscles is common with workouts and other activities. Forearms, elbows, wrists are common places where you start to feel certain injuries or wear and tear. Yoga can aid in healing these injuries and helping with the recovery process of the muscles by improving their elasticity and relaxing them. Today, I will be showing you 3 yoga poses that can be helpful for your muscle recovery. Our first pose for today is upward bound fingers pose. By stretching the arms overhead, this pose helps in increasing the mobility and the blood flow around the wrist and the shoulders. Additionally, it relieves tension from the neck as well. It is useful for people who work at a desk or drive all day, or engage in any activities which is likely to cause tightness in the upper body. Those with neck and shoulder injuries should avoid practicing this posture. Now let's move on to the steps. You're going to meet me in Tadasana with your feet together. From here, we're just going to interlock the fingers, press the palm away from you as you slowly raise the palms up towards the ceiling. Stay here for about 20 to 30 seconds and very slowly you're going to unclasp your fingers and lower them down. Feel free to repeat this posture 2 to 3 times or till a point that it feels good. Just make sure that you change the interlock of your finger, the opposite index finger going up first. Coming to our next posture, happy baby pose. This is a great exercise as it stretches the glutes, the inner thighs and the groin area as well, reducing overall lower back pain. This posture is also helpful for reducing stress and anxiety and is highly suggested as a therapeutic posture. Avoid this pose if you've had any injuries in the back, shoulders or the knee. Let's begin. Start by lying down on your back. Let's inhale and lift both the legs up, trying to bring your knees close to your armpits. From here, you're just going to flex your feet. Feet point up towards the ceiling, grabbing the outer edges of your feet with your palms. Holding this posture for about 30 to 60 seconds and then relax. Feel free to repeat it one more time. Our last posture for today is the supine twist. A great way to open up tight shoulders, improve digestion and also overall spinal flexibility. Those with arthritis or severe back pain should avoid performing this posture. Let's begin with the pose. You're going to lie down on your back. Start by hugging one knee in as you draw your breath in. From here, you're just going to take that knee to the opposite side. Try to allow your knee to touch the floor and if it doesn't, that's fine. We're just going to look at the opposite fingers and hold the posture for 30 seconds before you bring the knee back in and perform the same posture on the other side. You can repeat this asana one more time on each side. I hope these poses were helpful for you to relieve muscle tension. Keep following us for more yoga updates and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.